I don't know what that noise was, but I heard it. Okay. So again, that first time I had 99 and 68 hundredths times just 3. So I multiplied 3 times 8, 3 times 6, 3 times 9, and then 3 times 9 again. What do I do with that 3 now?
Cross it out.
And then what do I do?
And then you bring the 0 down.
I cross it out, and I say, there's my 0.
Your placeholder.
My placeholder. Thank you, Mr. Jim.
That's 8.
Alright, so now I'm going to erase these zeros with my finger. Okay, so 1 times 8,
8.
1 times 6,
9.
9.
9.
There we go. That one's easy.
Yeah.
Those ones never change. Those are nice. I like ones.
Now, here
Ones
comes the
is,
good
ones
part.
is zeros. What's next?
The 0.
The zeros.
So you cross out the 1 and bring down your 0.
I cross out my 1. Now I have 2 zeros. Right, so here's my next level of zeros. Now, but since this is 0, 0 times anything is
0.
0. So I'm just going to fill in my spaces. Now what do I do?
Cross the 0 out. Bring the next set of 3 zeros down.
More zeros. 0, 0, and 0. Alright. So this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. We've got my little triangle here. That looks nice. Well, I had it easy for a little while.
Now you're back to the 9.
Now I'm back to crazy numbers. And 9s of all of them.
That's 81.
No, it's not. It's 72.
I start over here, because remember I always start from here and go this way.
Right.
So I've got 9 times 8 is 72. Here's my 2. I carry my 7. I cross out that one because I don't need it. 9 times 6.
54.
54. Plus 7.
61.
61. There's my 1. I carry my 6. 9 times 9 is?
81.
Plus 6. Wow. Look at it that way. That way looks easier, right?
Yeah.
Than just thinking about it. 87. There's my 7. Carry 1 more time. 9 times 9 again is 81. This time plus 8.
Yeah. 89.
89.
Whoa. There was a decimal in the middle.
Hold on, we're not there yet. So I go 4 all the way down. 0, 8, and a bunch of zeros is 8. 9 and 6 is? There's my plus 1. So I've got 9 and 9 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 1 more is 21, plus 2. Now I've got 2, 4, plus 9, plus 1. So I can do 9 and 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14. 7 and 1 is 8. And then I just bring down my 8 and 9. Woo! Say that again?
You gotta learn.
Long enough. No. That's like, we had like 7 digits yesterday though. That example I gave yesterday was incredibly long.
7. This long right here.
That's all right. Come on, I like challenges.
That's alright. That's alright. Okay, so I'm going to erase all these over here so we can count our decimals. Alright. I gotta figure out where all my decimals are at.
Here's 1 and 5. And next one.
So I start out with my ghost decimal, right? So I start here with my ghost decimal. Alright, so before we only had to move 1 place. This time, we gotta move 1, 2. 1, 2. Throw my ghost decimal again. 1, 2. So I'm at 2 decimal places. and 2 decimal places. I literally add them together, I get 4. So then I throw in my ghost decimal down here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where it's going to be. And again, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. I always count from the right, every single time.
Go to the left.
What? So my answer now is 8,984 and 1,584 10,000ths. Right?
Wow.
Yeah. Now just imagine if I made you do like the 7 number ones. Don't do it. Everybody's like, no, please. Well, those ones I wouldn't be able to fit that many on the paper. You'd only get like 3 on the paper.
Oh, you should write on it, on separate paper.
Alright, but again, we did basic multiplication, right? That did not change. We had to carry a little bit, and then we had to add whatever we carried, just like if we had addition. Okay? Notice how addition and multiplication are similar, but not the same. Because in addition and subtraction, the decimal goes straight down. In multiplication, we have to add up our decimal places. Alright? That's the decimal difference. Okay? So this is our hard version. So we started out with just 1 number times 1 number. Then we went to 2 numbers times 2 numbers. And then 2 numbers times 3 numbers. And then 2 numbers times 2 numbers with a decimal. And now we're at 4 numbers times 4 numbers with a decimal. We're not going to go any higher than that. I promise. We are not. We are not. Anything any higher than this will be considered a bonus point. It'll be like,
Give me a bonus point.
she's just like, yeah, where's the bonus point?
Right. I need my
Or they're sitting on their, hey, I want some bonus points.
I need an Excel box.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave this up here. Where's this go? There we go.